Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin changing the pin for your Lenovo laptop charger, you'll need a few tools on hand. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging the charger. This ensures safety while you work on your device. Next, locate the back panel of your Lenovo laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws that hold the back panel in place. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe location, you'll need them for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel away from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Inside, you'll see the battery and the charging port connection. Before proceeding, ensure that your workspace is clean. Wipe down the internal components gently with the microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris that may interfere with the connection. Now, locate the pin connector for the charger. This is typically found near the battery connection. Carefully disconnect the old pin by pulling it straight out. If you find it difficult to disconnect, remember that excessive force can damage the connector. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this process, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old pin is disconnected, take your new pin connector and align it with the socket. Gently push it into place until you feel it click. This indicates a secure connection. If you don't have the tools or expertise to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. After securing the new pin, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly to avoid stripping. Before powering your laptop back on, double-check that everything is in place and that no tools are left inside. Once you've confirmed this, plug in your charger and power on your laptop. If everything is connected correctly, your Lenovo device should recognize the new charger pin. In case you encounter any issues, don't worry, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. If you prefer, you can reach out for assistance without the hassle of phone calls or travel. Our goal is to make your experience as smooth as possible. Finally, remember to keep your laptop and charger clean. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues in the future. If you're ever in doubt or need help, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Changing the pin for your Lenovo laptop charger can enhance your device's functionality and ensure that you're getting the most out of your technology. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.